At this point, you may have already registered for the Unicorn Notebook program and picked up the kit to make this project. The only additional supplies that you will need for this project that are not going to be in your kit are scissors, a pencil, and either a paint marker or just some acrylic paint and a paintbrush, or you could even use a Q-tip if you didn't have a paintbrush. So the first thing we're going to do is trace and cut our templates to create the pieces for the unicorn ears and horn. So I am going to be using the silver glitter paper to trace our unicorn horn. You may have silver or gold. I'm going to turn the silver paper upside down, place the template right on the back of it, and I'll just take my pencil and trace around the template. Once the template is traced, we can lift it off, take our scissors, and cut out the shape. I'm going to cut just outside of the lines that I drew. And there we have our unicorn horn that I will set aside. For the ear pieces, I will take the larger template and the white glitter sheet and trace the template just the same way that we did for the horn. We will trace it twice so that we have two pieces. And we will do the same for the smaller earpiece with the pink felt. You should be able to fit the template onto the felt twice. And now we will just cut them out. I'll just cut the second one. And now the smaller pieces for the ears. Okay. Okay, so now that we have all of the pieces for our unicorn notebook cut, we are ready to assemble the notebook. We're going to take our larger glitter piece, and you'll notice that there is a white backing on it. You're just going to peel the white backing off carefully because this is very sticky. Don't want it to end up sticking to each other. Okay, so now that we have the white backing taken off of the glitter paper, we're going to just carefully line up the straight part with the black binder on the notebook. Just you just want to do this really carefully to get it lined up properly. You want to make sure it comes all the way to the edge of the notebook. Just before you completely smooth it down, just make sure that all of your edges are covered, and then you can just smooth it right down to the notebook. Okay. Now we're ready to place our unicorn horn. You want to just maybe get an idea of where you want to place it before you take the sticky part off. That looks good to me. Take the backing off. Just going to place it right into the center of the notebook. So now that we have our unicorn horn placed in the center of the notebook, it is time to place the larger white parts of the ear onto the notebook. We're going to just place them directly on the sides of the horn. So again, we can peel the white backing right off. You just want to kind of line them up. You want to slant them a little bit. Place them right on the side of the horn. Okay. And now we're ready to put the inner part of the ears. And I'm going to just line the bottom of the smaller part of the ear up with the larger part of the bottom of the ear. Okay. And we will do the same for the second ear. Okay. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get the backing off. Okay. Okay. So now that the ears are complete, we are ready to place the flowers. We're going to take our larger glitter flower, and I'm going to put that right at the bottom of the horn, overlapping the horn and the large glitter cover. And then we can take our smaller flowers, kind of just place them around the center flower. I'm going to do a yellow on each side. And then we will finish it off with the purple on the ends. Okay, so now we have the ears, the horn, and the flower crown, and the last part to add are the eyes or the eyelashes. So for the last part of this project, I'm going to first take a pencil and just lightly sketch where I would like the eyelashes to be placed on the notebook, just because pencil is a little bit more forgiving than paint. So I'm just going to take my pencil and make sort of two closed eyelids. And then I'm going to add two little eyelashes on the ends. And then I'm going to take a Sharpie paint marker to go over the pencil lines. You, like I said, could use regular acrylic paint if you don't have a paint marker. I'm using black. You can use whatever color you like. I've made this before using silver or white. I'm just going to take the marker, go right over the lines that I made. And there you have your unicorn notebook. You can use this as a notebook or a journal. I hope you enjoy it.